Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve one of the most popular coding interview question, two sum. This is very important problem for beginner because it helps you understand loops, array, and problem solving logic. So make sure you watch till the end. Now let's start understanding the problem. We are given an array called nums and targeted value. Our task is to find two indicators such that sum of those nums equal to the target. For example, here nums equal to 2, 7, 11, 15, target equal to 9. Here outputs nums 0 and num1 equal to 9. Here output is 0, 1 or we return 0, 1. Then another input given nums equal to 3, 2, 4, targeted equal to 6. Here 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Then the index is output 1, 2. It's output. Now let's think about how to solve this problem. The simple approach is to check every possible pair in the array. That means we take one element then compare it with all the remaining elements. This approach is called brute force approach. It's not fast, but it's very easy to understand. So before we start the code, let's start the code. We take a vector int v1, then take int sum equal to 0, then take for loop int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot size, then I plus plus, then we take another for loop int j equal to I plus 1, j less than nums dot size j plus plus. Then we take the sum of the num I plus num j. So sum equal to nums I plus nums j. Here is the sum. Then we check the condition. If sum equal to target, then v1 dot push back I, then v1 dot push back j. We instantly return v1 if target are fine. If not, then we return here v1. How its code work? Let's say first we create a vector called v1 to store the result, index it of two numbers. Then we use two loops. The outer loop run index from 0 to n minus n, and this loop select the first number. Then inner loop start from I plus 1 so that we do not repeat pair. This loop select the second number. Instead the loop we calculate the sum of num I plus num j. Then we check if sum is equal to the target. If equal, we push both indexes into the vector and immediately return the result. If no pair is found, we return an empty vector and at the end. Now let's do quick dry run. Here nums given that 2751, targeted equal to 9. If I equal to 0, then nums I equal to 2. Then if j equal to 1, then nums j equal to 7. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So we return 0 plus 1. We submit the code. Here a semicolon left. Here time complexity, we using two nested loops, so the time complexity is OF n square, and pace complexity we are using not using any extra pace except the stored vector, so it is a OF1. One important thing to note that this is not the most optional solution. We improve this using a hash map which reduce the time complexity of OF1. If you want, I can make a separate video on that. Just comment below. So that it's today's video. If you find this helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment our doubts on next problem. See you in the next video. Thank you.